Hey guys, how are you all? In this video, I'm going to show you that how can you get coupon codes for Myprotein website, that is a health supplement website, and how can you get discount on that website. So firstly, we just need to think one thing that with promo codes, because promo codes have their deadlines, so we just have to find out those type of promo codes that are active right now. So for this, we just have to go on our Safari browser here and simply search for Myprotein latest coupon code here, and you will get the website, the first one on this couponalexa.com. Click on that website and here you will see that up to 33% off on Myprotein, 100% success rate. Click on the get code option here, and this is the code, that is AFFOY. Also, you can go to the directly to the store, and there you can paste this coupon code, and then you can check that if it's genuine or not. So this is all about the video. Thank you so much for watching it. If you have any type of query, question, confusion, so just drop that into the comment section. We will surely make a detailed video on that topic soon. Keep watching, keep loving.